Lord, take me out my comfort, I'm just trying to go. Lord, wake me up when my heart starts to get cold, no fold. Lord, help me not fall when the navigation always a fold. They don't even need to go.
What is up, guys? This is your boy Kevin here from Revolution Ministries, back with another dance tutorial, and we are dancing to New Things by Isaac Mansfield. I'm pretty sure that's his most popular song. I am not sure, but let's get right into it. This is my left, this is my right, and we're gonna start doing the heel toe. My fault. You're gonna swipe to the left, heel toe to the left, swipe, swipe to the right, heel toe to the right, swipe, boom. So you swipe, so it's 1, 2, you're gonna drop down, 3, and 4, okay? So you go 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. You pull through. 5, 6, push 7, 8. So he goes, my God doing a new thing, I can't stress about old. And then we're gonna slam our right foot down twice, and our arm's gonna hit bum, bum. We're gonna take it down, take it down. Our left leg is gonna whip around and our right leg goes in the front. Whip around. I'm just trying to be bold, okay? So it goes from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, hit, down and hit. Now we push. 2, up, down, go around. You're bold. Hey, we'll do that just with music. Oh, feeling crazy. You want me to? That made me. That again. Hey, we dance for Jesus. Y'all know this. Let's worship. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey.
My God doing a new thing, I can't trust my old. My Lord, take me out my comfort, I'm just trying to go.
So we just did. Yeah, the song's pretty fast. It's pretty fast. So go back, do it a couple of times if you're like, whoa, what just happened? So we go slam, slam, up, down, turn. I'm just trying to be bold. Our right leg takes a step back twice, and we're gonna lean back further. Back, 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 back. And what we're gonna do is we're bold. We go back, back. So not like a lean, but the right leg will be back. So bold, back, back, step through. So we just did trying to be bold, back, back, step through, kick out, push, North Pole, we're cold. All right, then we're gonna jump on our left, left, step, step, and left, step. So it goes, da, 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 hey, fast, pop, 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 pop. That's how it'll be. 1 and 2 and 3. All right? So we just did, hey, hey, step down, turn around, trying to be bold. Hey, hey, head through, hey, we warm. Now, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna do the Charleston, that's this. Back twice. So we just did trying to be bold. North Pole. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, back, 7, 8. Just a nice groove. All right, let's do that with music. Hey man, we're like more than halfway through this combo. I got a dance class on May 3rd. May 3rd, I believe it is 2 to 3, all right, here in Orlando, Florida. So if y'all wanna show up and show out to that, check the link in my bio. We got some special stuff coming to you. If y'all trying to learn from me live instead of over this the whole time, which I appreciate the support, but man, come out, right? We're about to build a community. We're doing this for Jesus. We're kingdom-minded dancers, so let's get to it. Let's get in the studio together. Let's get some work done, and we're gonna have a blast. I love y'all. Come and support. Let's get it! Here we go. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey!
My God doing a new thing, I can't trust my old. My Lord, take me out my comfort, I'm just trying to go. Lord, wake me up when my heart starts to get cold, no fold. Lord, help me not fall when the navigation always a fold. They don't even need to go.
let's finish out the dance. Let's finish out the dance. So we just did 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, back, 7, 8. We step out with our left to turn. 1, 2, 3, hit. 1, 2, 3, hit. So you just groove with it. Ah, 2, and ba, ah, 2, and ba. Then you're gonna kick out your right, ha, kick it back, ha. You're gonna hit, pull out. Sorry, I had to make sure this was the right move. So you go out, back, pump, out, turn around, up, back. And that is it. That is the dance. Let's do it from the top, slow, and then let's do it with the music. 5. Here we go. We go. Hit, hit, drop it down, and hit. Pull through, pull. Now hit, hit, top, down, turn, bowl. Hey, now hit, drop, step through, kick, push. Oh, I'm cold. Da, 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 da. Hey, 5. Ha, ah, go. Hey. Hey. Why I forget? Pull up, around. Hey, ah, ha. Let's get it. Hey. Oh. Let's get it.
Yeah.
5, 6.
My God doing a new thing, I can't trust my own. My Lord take me out my comfort, I'm just shiny going. Lord, wake me up with my heart just to get cold, no fold. Lord, help me not fall when the validation always the phone. They don't even get to go. I'm just trying to win, something in my head telling me I can't roll in my head telling me to go. This is
Hey, let's rock out. Ah. Well, we didn't really need water, I guess, but I appreciate the support. I appreciate, sorry. Bring this chair down that I can look at y'all. Hey, thank you guys so much for being a part of this video. Thank you guys so much for learning from me. I pray that God blesses each and every one of you guys. And let's just keep continuing to grow, continuing to develop. If you guys want one-on-one training with your boy, the link is down below. If y'all love and support this content and the revolution, Jesus! Like, comment, subscribe, share, and let's continue to grow this family. Revolution.